Now, 20 more people have succumbed to Covid-19 virus, even as the infection rate continues to remain at an alarming level. The positivity rate over the last 24 hours stood at 16.5%, with 1,184 more Kenyans testing positive out of a sample size of 7,139 that was tested. Our health and science reporter Beldine Waleaula gives us the picture of infection rates over the last 7 days and what it means on flattening the curve.
Just a week after President Uhuru Kenyatta put stringent measures in place to lower the spread of the virus, there's very minimal change on how the COVID-19 curve in the country looks like. The positivity rate hit a high of 26.6% on 29th March, with more than 10,000 people testing positive in the last 7 days alone. On average, the country has had a positivity rate of 18.5% over the last 1 week. The number of people succumbing to the virus has been on a steady incline, with almost 100 people dying from the virus in the past 1 week. This shows that the country is not out of the woods yet, and if the rate of infection remains high as it is, measures put in place by the president might end up lasting longer.
My administration will uphold its duty of care to the people of this republic, and we will go to any length or breadth required to ensure that every single Kenyan is safe.
With 187 people currently in ICU in the last 24 hours alone, shows how the virus has become severe. The virus is said to have mutated, and now a more resistant variant from South Africa, B1351, is said to be present in Kenyans who have traveled to United Kingdom, which necessitated the UK to put Kenya on their red list. This is coming at a time when Kenyans are receiving their first jab of Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine. Currently, the 1.1 million doses are being given to Kenyans as they wait for their second dose to arrive in the country.
Counties are encouraged not to withhold vaccines from targeted groups with the excuse of holding for the second dose. The second AstraZeneca dose is to be administered between 8 and 12 weeks from the first dose. And it's our expectation that the second consignment will be in time for the second dose.
Kenya is awaiting its second shipment of the vaccines next month as it continues with phased vaccination program.
The government expects to receive another 2.5 million doses of vaccines next month.
Over the last 24 hours, 1,184 people tested positive, this reflecting a positivity rate of 16.5% against the recommended WHO rate of 5%. Beldine Waleaula, KTN News.
Now, the immediate halt to imports of COVID-19 vaccines by private companies and specifically